Hey everyone, I just made a short video about something I've been working on the last couple of weeks. It's a John Deere 190E excavator final drive. Now the drive blew a seal, so it was spewing hydraulic fluid everywhere. It wasn't keeping any at all. So I did have to take the unit completely off and break it down, clean it up, and find out what was actually leaking. You can see all the parts here. This is part of the pump assembly. You've got the drum, and inside has a lot of bearings and splines, gears, different things on the inside of these. It is, but it isn't hard to rebuild them. Right here you can see the seal that actually blew. It's called a floating seal. This right here is a disc and the plates that are inside. I'm not really sure what caused them to tear up the way that they did. This here is part of the pump assembly. And here's just another picture of a half that has, the assembly with the bearings and stuff. Now this next picture is what you call a piston. It's basically what puts pressure on those clutch disc and plates. And here's just a bag of the new seals that I'd ordered. Brand new disc and plates. It actually took a little while to get all this stuff in, and none of this stuff was cheap. It was pretty expensive to replace it all. And then just more pictures of the inside. I think this is where I was reassembling it. Made sure everything was all nice and clean. And then I get to put it back on, so you can see how I have the little lift on it to be able to put it back onto the tractor. But it was a fun little project. It does weigh quite a bit, so it's kind of hard to do it by yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching the video today, everyone. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me. Like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I know there wasn't much to this video, but let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching again, everyone.